This video is about how to change the sound output for Apple product. In a summary, iPhone doesn't support to change the sound output when connect to an external monitor, but iPad with a USB-C port does support. And I will show you the details. This is iPad with a USB-C port. We need to connect with a USB-C cable. Scroll down and go to the control center. Click this icon. And you can see there's a monitor option. In here, you can choose iPad or monitor as your sound output. But for the iPhone, this iPhone is with a USB-C port. When you connect it to the external monitor, screen, go to the control center, click this icon. There's no monitor option, so it doesn't support to change the sound output. And also for iPhone with a lightning port, we need to connect by using a lightning to HDMI adapter. Connect to the monitor. And go to the control center. Click here. There's also no monitor option, so it also doesn't support to change the output.